almost everyone agreed that additional support would be required to onboard and train employees. However, 41% of CEOs disagreed, believing that AI tools such as Microsoft Copilot will cover a larger amount of employees' work, requiring them to need fewer skills. With Avanade being an early adopter of using generative AI tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot and Azure OpenAI, we've learned that targeted AI capabilities enablement needs to be built into the learning paths of all employees, Rotor adds. That's why we've recently established our School of AI to provide relevant training for all of our 60,000 professionals, as well as to encourage the sharing of best practices for responsible AI. Although the study highlights a general optimism around the future of AI in the workplace, 92% of employees feel their organization must shift to an AI-first operating model. Ideally, this needs to be done within the next 12 months to not only ensure customer expectations are met, but to stay ahead of competitors too.